The forest is plentiful, isn't it? He's like, stop showing my belly. There's more over here. Yeah. Those geese look so small compared to these guys. There's something growing down here that they like. Something, I think something that looks like what's growing on the edges. Little green stuff. Who knows? Who knows? They know. Get that itch out. Get that itch out. No space for itching in nature.
Yeah, vegetarian.
You saw something in their mouth when they came out?
No, look, he's eating the.
Yeah. Something off the branch, right?
Mhm.
Really? In the park?
What?
It sounds like a full throttle engine. There it goes. It has no muffler? Like, what the? Sound like some of these geese. It's a permanent tuba. Look at you. There goes another one. Look. You see them? With their red shoulders? You see the red shoulder ones? Over here? This one's looking at me. I'm looking at you too, homie. I like your color. I see that it's like a green, and your eyes are so white against it. And you stand on one leg. So you're the one that makes that noise. I like that noise. This one has a blue head. Your head is green. You guys are so colorful and cool. Oh, here comes the dog. Here comes the dogs messing it up, right? Huh? They go tiki.
Yeah, I caught that.
Oh, the red went away. It hides the red after a while. It just came to flex on it. Look, it's telling the robin to go away.
This is like.
And some are blue and some are, oh, it's up. It's coming up. It's rolling up for real. It might come out the water and everything. Whoops.
Not too close.
Oh, I almost dropped my camera. Now it's like, forget you, man. You fidgety human. Eat peace. Plumages. Yeah. There's another robin. Yeah, they're working over here. The other bird's like, what you eating here? Let us get some. Come on, let some of it float up. And the swan's just floating away smoothly. Like, we're done, man. Look at this guy's leg up in the air. Stretch it, man. Stretch it. Yeah, that's fancy. I like that.
This is your spirit animal. Okay. This is you, Daddy. Shake your tail, Pella.
Stretch that back leg. You gotta stretch it out. Be swimming all day. The swans stretch. They know how to stretch. Hey, it showed us and then put it away. It's gone now. You gotta be in the water to see if it's still doing it. The robins know something we don't know. It's like something's going on. Up they're like, oh, you made it hot. You made it hot, Jerry. You talk too much. They're rolling up big time now. This is the whole crew. I saw 10. This is like about 8, 9 over there. I saw a lot of my friends. I've been hearing my friend the whole time, bro.
Really?
He just did it again. Yeah, these guys. And it's like to finally see them. And they have a nice little red shoulder. I like that. It's so cool to me. All right, peace, y'all. Peace, man.